In this video, I'll show you how to use Bluesky. Bluesky is similar to X or Twitter, and as you might notice, it pretty much looks like Facebook as well. Now, to use Bluesky, first you'll need to sign up. I have a separate video that will be in the description on how to sign up for Bluesky. Just click on that link in the description and it will show you the video on how to do so. And once you're done with that, just go back in here and continue with this video. In here in the center, you'll be able to see your feed. All right, or discover. As you can see here, there are a lot of posts right here, which is random. Now, when you go to this following section, you'll be able to see the posts of the channels that you're currently following. And here at the video tab, you'll be able to see a ton of videos that is posted randomly as well. You can see posts that are popular with your friends. And as you can see here, there will be the feed separate to that as well. From mutuals and game dev. For this is not random. I have added this manually. Now to do that, what we're going to do is just click on feeds right here. And as you can see, popular with friends, mutuals, game dev, Bluesky team have just added this one earlier. Now, if you want to add one to your list, just click on the plus sign right here. All right. Say, for example, you are interested on a different feed that is not in here. Just go ahead and use the search function right here and look for the feed itself. All right. Now here in the search function, you can just go ahead and use this bar right here to look for people. All right. For example, this one right here, I've searched for this particular person. All right. Just type in Max as whatever you want. As you can see, there will be a drop down just like any other search engines. All right. Here in notifications, the section right here will show you who follows you, any new comments or other notifications. And in here, just click on it to see the mentions tab. Now in chats, to make a new chat, just go ahead and click on this one right here. All right. And to locate the person that you wanted to chat. For example, this one right here, you can just easily block them, but just click on the three dots right here at the top right and hit on block. Report conversation, mute conversation, or visit the profile. All right. You can also leave this conversation. Now here in your profile, as you can see, you'll be able to see the number of followers that you have, the number of people or channels that you've been following, and your post count. All right. You'll be able to see your post right here and also threads. Now, if you're wondering how I make threads, don't worry. Just go ahead and browse the channel and you'll be able to see how to make threads video on Bluesky. All right. And in here, in these tabs, you can see replies, media, videos, likes, feeds, and etc. Now to edit your profile or edit your account, just go ahead over to settings right here. As you can see, you'll be able to add another account if you wish. And in here in accounts, you can change your email, your birthday, password, and handle. All right. I have a different video of this one as well, explaining everything. All right. Don't worry. Just look it up in this channel. Now going back, here are your options right here in the settings menu. All right. About, help, languages, accessibility, appearance right here. If you want a light theme, just go ahead and use that. If you want a dark theme right here, if you wish to use your system setting, just go ahead and click on this one. Under dark theme, you can just go ahead and hit on dim or dark. All right, as you can see, well, I'd prefer dim. In here, in fonts, you can use the system font. All right, as you can see here, I've been using the custom font, or you can just use the theme. The font size, if you want smaller, just click on this one, default and larger. All right, now going back to home, in here, you can create a post right here. Enter whatever you want, change the setting right here. If you want everybody to see this or nobody, or if you just wanted some followers to see it, you can add in some photos, videos, GIFs, and emojis as well. And just do keep in mind that you only have 300 character limit. If you want to change the language, click on English right here. As you can see, there are a lot of available languages right here. Just click on one if you wish. And once you're done, just hit on post. And if you're wondering where your post goes, just go ahead and go to your profile right here and you'll be able to see your post right here. That's basically how you use Bluesky. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.